Hi, kindergarten snake experts. Today is the day where we're going to finish our second nonfiction book, Amazing Animals Snakes. We have a few pages left to read, and then we'll add any new information to our chart. After that, on the next slide, I'll organize the chart so it will help us understand even more about how the books are alike and different. Snakes eat many kinds of animals. Some snakes eat frogs or mice, others eat birds. Some big snakes eat monkeys or deer. They swallow the animals in one gulp. There's a caption at the bottom that says, "This snake is swallowing a big rat for dinner." The caption at the top says, "Most snakes have about 3 to 16 babies at one time." Most mother snakes lay eggs. Baby snakes hatch out of the eggs. Other mother snakes give birth to live babies. Mother snakes do not take care of the baby snakes. As the baby snakes grow, they lose their old skin and grow new skin. Some snakes can live up to 40 years. Notice how the word hatch is in red bold print. Down at the bottom, it gives us the definition for hatch. Hatch means to come out of an egg. Snakes spend much of the day lying around. If they are cold, they lie in the sun to warm up. If they get too hot, they crawl to a cooler space. The caption says, "Snakes can hang in sunny tree branches to warm up." The caption at the top says, "This snake wraps around animals to kill them for food." Snakes spend some of their time looking for prey. When they find a prey animal, some snakes eat it alive. Other snakes kill their prey by squeezing it. Some snakes poison their prey when they bite it. Notice again that prey is in green, and at the bottom the definition for the word prey is animals that are eaten by other animals. Some people keep snakes as pets. Lots of people like to look at snakes in zoos. It is fun to watch these scaly animals bend and move. The last caption says, "Some small snakes that do not bite can be good pets." I hope you enjoyed our second nonfiction book, and on the next slide, we'll finish filling in the chart.